my name is Fiona. Seriously, I've been having a lot of noise in there the one we make crazy girl videos, so got my knife. Let's get over it. Is that an ollie? I gotta take the master look. Angel! Angel, why do you pretend to be an alien?
Because it's almost Halloween. Today is
What is this now? I gotta knit it. Knit, 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 knit.
I know how to knit faster.
Now let me try the lights.
This is the real Sophia.
Sophia the penguin.
Bye.
I hope you subscribe.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, this is Catherine. Bye-bye. So I hope you subscribe up there, comment below, like below. And so, if you hate this video, I'm going to kick you in the butt. True, true, true. Nah, just kidding. So, if it's Halloween, I hope you guys to show your costumes. And so, bye.
Glowing cup. You should get it. But to answer a question first. Where's the Grand Canyon?